We are offering OSHA Safety Train-the-Trainer course. This essential program is designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge needed to effectively train others in workplace safety and health practices. In the realm of workplace safety, effective training is key to preventing accidents and ensuring compliance with safety regulations. OSHA's safety standards provide a framework for maintaining a safe working environment. By the end of this course, you will be fully equipped to train others on essential safety practices, helping to create a safer and more compliant workplace while fostering a culture of safety awareness. Mandatory units of this qualification are: Introduction to OSHA and the role of a trainer, understanding OSHA standards and regulations, developing effective training programs, training techniques and methodologies, communication skills for trainers, safety program management, evaluation and assessment, special topics in safety training. This course is ideal for safety professionals, supervisors and managers, human resources personnel, training coordinators, EHS officers, consultants. What is the duration of this course? The duration of the OSHA Safety Train-the-Trainer course typically ranges from 3 to 5 days. All OSHA certifications are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest OSHA-approved center. Visit our website at www.oshamericana.com for more qualifications and information.